Imagine walking into a gym and spotting a man towering at 6'5", moving with confidence, arms still thick, chest still broad, and skin glowing with health. At first glance, you would assume he's in his late 30s, maybe early 40s, a man still at the peak of his athletic prime. But then the truth sinks in. This man is 72 years old. That man is Lou Ferrigno, the original Incredible Hulk. Decades have passed since he first appeared on television, his body painted green as he smashed through walls and roared as the Hulk. Back then, people were stunned by his sheer size and power. Today, they are stunned for a very different reason. How, at 72, Lou Ferrigno looks decades younger, his body preserved by discipline, training, and a simple but powerful diet built on 6 key foods. And you will be shocked when we reveal those 6 exact foods that fuel his body, keep his muscles strong, and allow him to defy time itself. Stay tuned until the very end, because Lou's story isn't just about him. It's about how anyone can slow aging and live stronger, healthier, and longer. The making of a real-life Hulk. Long before Hollywood fame, Lou Ferrigno's life was shaped by struggle. Born in Brooklyn, New York, Lou faced hardships early. As a child, he suffered a severe ear infection that left him with partial hearing loss, making him feel different and isolated. School was tough. He was bullied, teased, and called names. But instead of letting this break him, Lou found refuge in something else: weights. At just 13 years old, he began lifting, inspired by superheroes and bodybuilders he saw in magazines. What started as a coping mechanism quickly became an obsession. By the time Lou reached his 20s, he was no longer the shy boy from Brooklyn. He was a giant. Standing at 6'5" and weighing over 300 pounds of solid muscle, Lou Ferrigno was one of the largest bodybuilders the sport had ever seen. His presence was undeniable. His frame was so massive, his shoulders so wide, that he looked like a comic book character come to life. In 1971, he captured the title of IFBB Mr. America, and just 2 years later, he won Mr. Universe, becoming the youngest to ever achieve that honor at the time. His rise in the bodybuilding world was meteoric, and it wasn't long before Hollywood noticed. The rivalry with Arnold. Lou Ferrigno's name became globally recognized when he appeared in the legendary 1977 documentary Pumping Iron. The film showcased his rivalry with Arnold Schwarzenegger, who at the time was already a dominant force in bodybuilding. Arnold was confident, charismatic, and already a multiple-time Mr. Olympia. Lou, on the other hand, was portrayed as the underdog, the massive, quiet challenger from Brooklyn who was hungry to dethrone the king. When they stood side by side, the contrast was striking. Arnold was polished and experienced, while Lou was raw, intense, and colossal. Their rivalry gave the film its drama, and although Arnold ultimately claimed victory, Lou Ferrigno won something equally important: recognition. The world had seen his power, his size, and his determination. Hollywood producers soon realized that Lou was the perfect candidate to bring one of the most iconic characters of all time to life: the Incredible Hulk. The Hulk that never faded. From 1977 to 1982, Lou Ferrigno became a household name as the star of the Incredible Hulk TV series. Unlike today's Marvel blockbusters filled with CGI, Lou needed no special effects. His body was the special effect. Every week, millions of viewers tuned in to watch him transform into the Hulk, his massive muscles painted green, his roars echoing through living rooms across America. For many, he became the embodiment of strength itself. But here's the most shocking part. Decades later, Lou Ferrigno still looks like the Hulk. While his bodybuilding peers aged, lost their physiques, or faced serious health issues, Lou remained dedicated to his craft. At 72, he still trains, still eats like an athlete, and still turns heads wherever he goes. People can't believe it when they meet him. He doesn't just look good for his age, he looks decades younger than his actual age. The secret lies in his mindset, his discipline, and in 6 powerful foods that he has built his diet around for decades. The first food: lean meat. The first cornerstone of Lou Ferrigno's diet is lean meat. Chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef make up the backbone of his protein intake. Protein is not just about growing muscle, it's about preserving it. As people age, they naturally lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. This is why so many older men become weaker, slower, and frail. But Lou refuses to let that happen. By fueling his body with lean meat, Lou ensures that his muscles are constantly supplied with the amino acids they need for repair and growth. Every workout he completes breaks down muscle fiber, and every serving of lean meat he eats rebuilds them stronger. At 72, lean meat keeps his body hard, his muscles full, and his frame powerful enough to still move like a man half his age. The second food: fish. The second food Lou Ferrigno swears by is fish, especially fatty varieties like salmon and sardines. For Lou, fish is more than just protein, it's medicine. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are critical for fighting inflammation. As we age, inflammation becomes one of the biggest threats to our health. It damages joints, slows recovery, and accelerates the aging process. Omega-3s fight this, keeping Lou's joints smooth, his heart strong, and his brain sharp. For a man who still trains regularly, omega-3s are a game changer. They reduce soreness, improve blood flow, and protect him from cardiovascular decline. Beyond that, fish provides essential vitamins like D and B12, which boost energy and immune health. It's no wonder fish is a regular part of his diet. The third food, whole eggs. Lou Ferrigno has never bought into the myth that eggs are bad for you. In fact, he embraces them fully, yolk and all. Whole eggs are one of nature's most complete foods, providing high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. What makes eggs especially powerful is leucine, an amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. This is the process that actually builds muscle. For someone like Lou, who has spent his life sculpting and maintaining a massive frame, eggs are indispensable. They fuel his recovery after workouts, provide lasting energy, and deliver nutrients that support his eyes, nerves, and overall vitality. The fourth food, fruits and salads. Lou Ferrigno doesn't just eat protein. He balances his meals with fruits and salads rich in antioxidants, fiber, and essential micronutrients. Berries, apples, bananas, and oranges are staples, giving him the antioxidant power to fight oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the leading drivers of aging, causing cell damage, wrinkles, and disease. By loading up on fruits, Lou shields his body against these effects. Alongside fruit, Lou eats fresh salads filled with leafy greens like spinach and kale. These are nutrient-dense foods packed with calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K. These minerals are vital for bone strength and muscle function, both of which are critical as we age. For Lou, fruits and greens are not side dishes, they are armor against aging. The fifth food, oatmeal. Carbohydrates are often misunderstood, but Lou Ferrigno knows they are essential when chosen wisely. His carbohydrate of choice is oatmeal. Unlike refined carbs like white bread or pasta, oatmeal digests slowly, providing a steady release of energy throughout the day. This steady energy is crucial for someone who still trains intensely. Oatmeal fuels his workouts, keeps him energized long after, and supports his recovery. It is also rich in fiber, promoting digestion and heart health. The beta-glucan in oats lowers cholesterol and supports cardiovascular health, which is especially important for long-term vitality. The sixth food, cottage cheese. Lou's final staple food is cottage cheese, and he eats it at night before bed. The reason is simple. Cottage cheese is loaded with casein protein, which digests slowly and releases amino acids steadily over several hours. This makes it the perfect food to fuel muscle repair while he sleeps. Most people don't realize that muscles are built during rest, not during training. By eating cottage cheese at night, Lou ensures his body never runs out of the nutrients it needs to recover and rebuild. On top of that, cottage cheese provides calcium, which protects his bones from osteoporosis and keeps him strong even as he ages. Now think about this for a moment. If just 6 foods, lean meat, fish, eggs, fruits and salads, oatmeal, and cottage cheese, can keep Lou Ferrigno looking like he's 39 at 72, what excuse do the rest of us have? Would you commit to eating like this if it meant slowing aging and keeping the body of someone half your age? Supplements that support his diet. While Lou's foundation is real food, he also supports his diet with a few key supplements. Whey protein gives him quick recovery after training, delivering amino acids directly to his muscles. BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids, help reduce soreness and prevent muscle breakdown. He uses mass gainers when he needs extra calories and fat burners to keep his metabolism sharp. But Lou never lets supplements replace food. They are additions, not substitutes, and his philosophy remains the same. Food first, supplements second. Training at 72. What truly shocks people is not just how Lou Ferrigno looks at 72, it's how he trains. While he no longer pushes his body through marathon bodybuilding sessions like he did in his prime, his workouts are still structured and intense. He lifts weights with perfect form, focusing on controlled strength rather than reckless power. He incorporates cardio to protect his heart, stretches to maintain flexibility, and maintains a consistent schedule. Training isn't something Lou does for a role or for a season, it's part of who he is. And that's why, even at 72, his body is still strong, youthful, and commanding. The ageless lesson of Lou Ferrigno. Lou Ferrigno's life sends a clear message. Aging is not an excuse. Most men in their 70s accept frailty and weakness as inevitable. They stop training, stop eating clean, and let their bodies decline. Lou refused. He built his life on discipline, and that discipline kept him strong long after the world expected him to slow down. He doesn't just look younger, he moves younger. He lives young, and it's all because of choices, consistent training, disciplined eating, and 6 simple foods that keep his body in peak condition. So here's the real question. If Lou Ferrigno can look 39 at 72 by eating 6 foods and living with discipline, what excuse do the rest of us have? He didn't have superpowers. He didn't have shortcuts. What he had was consistency, belief in himself, and the refusal to quit. Which of these 6 foods would you add to your daily routine first? Let us know in the comments. And if you thought Lou Ferrigno's story was inspiring, wait until you hear how another bodybuilding legend has defied time in ways you won't believe. Click here to watch that next.